Okay, this is a TOS gap bed engine lathe. It's 28 with 37 in the gap by 160 in centers. Model SN71C. It's got a 3-drawer chuck there. Serial number 0771409800050. It's new in 1998. Those are two factory steady rests, the large one and the smaller one. That's just tail stock. There are your ways, nice and smooth, no scoring at all. It's original paint. Angel just engaged the spindle. That's the feed. Other direction. Cross. Cross in the other direction. So you've seen the feed both directions, and you've seen the spindle. We're going to do the rapid as well. We're going to show some other speeds. Rapid. 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 Right, so you got the 4-way rapid. By the way, that's a travadial here. You just engage the lead screw now. See the lead screw turning. That's the half nut, and we're threading. So we've seen in feed and rapid and thread. It's a low speed. Again, also it's a cam lock, by the way, and it's got a large hole. It's a 2 7/9 of an inch hole, 2.79, and it's a cam lock D18. Forward and reverse. A couple more speeds. Another low speed. Okay, it's a higher speed. And another speed. Okay. I'll walk around back. I'll show you the electrical cabinet as well. The electrics. Thank you for watching the video.